Welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what the dealio is. I'm looking really crazy right now. I look really crazy. This hat is big as fuck. I'm about to go to the hair store so I can get some bleach so I can bleach this hair. Tomorrow is 4th of July, so I need to get my hair done. So that is what we're gonna do today. Y'all are gonna see me in the process of doing that hair. I'm also gonna upload a video on it too, just so I can tell you about the hair, and then we can get ready for tomorrow. So yeah, let's go to the hair store. Today, I'm talking to the camera. Today is my mother's birthday. I forgot to tell y'all that. Y'all know she's so far away from me. She's 700 miles away. So, I couldn't do much, but I sent her some flowers, and I'm buying her some food, and I think that's it. Oh, she's getting a pedi spa. So I don't know where I ordered that from. I'm trying to just cash app her the money so she can get it, but I don't think that's gonna work. But yeah, I just wanted to come in here and say that because I almost forgot. Okay? But I didn't forget. I almost forgot to tell y'all. So when y'all see this, it's gonna be late, but comment down below and tell my mom happy birthday, y'all. Yes, I am. So we're about to go downtown because we're doing fireworks, and they're doing fireworks downtown. So yeah, he gonna come over here all dressed and like, oh, you are dressed? Why the fuck would I be dressed? Why would I know to be dressed? So we're about to go see some fireworks, probably get some drinks, and yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm putting on Tropics from my lash line. If y'all don't know, yes, I have a lash line. Will it focus? We don't know. It focused on my watch. Alright, well, anyway, that's Tropics from my lash line. The Noble brand. Link is in the bio. Go shop. It's dye.
Exactly, that's a different type of one.
Look at this, y'all. It's a classic. What kind of car is this? Plymouth. What is a Plymouth?
Right, that's what it is right there.
Shut up. Remember I told y'all to do the scooter thing? Well, don't do the scooter thing because they don't have them anymore. They canceled them, and then they say if you've seen on one, then you are like you gonna get fined or some shit like that. Yeah. So too many people were having accidents and shit, like busting their head, like my dumb ass did. I bust my motherfucking head, and they was getting hurt and shit, and like they was leaving like scooters in the street, so people would run over like the scooters and stuff. So they said did all that, and they was like, nope, that's it. So no more scooters. I'm hungry. We're gonna try to find something to eat, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there. We're just taking a stroll. It feels good out here. Nice little breezy breeze. It's not too hot, but it's not cold. You know? Alright, y'all. So in the story time that I had did about the guy that had left me stranded, this is where I was at when I caught the taxi. I was right here by the Ferris wheel, caught the taxi right here. Okay? It was terrible. Okay, so he said he gonna take me on that tomorrow, even though I wanted to go already, and he called it corny.
I ain't doing anything, man. There you go. No, you're good. It's no picture. It's no picture. You guys are good.
Okay. Can you see the person?
No, I gotta step back some more. I was too busy gazing at you. That shit is huge. But yeah, you got a piece of it in there. You ain't got all of it. And that's good.
It does. All right, so we got the Hudson Grill, we got Park Bar.
And Hudson Grill, I know that shit closed.
You do?
I said I know it is.
Oh.
I like the Hudson Grill though. You ever been? Hudson Grill is nice. I forgot which. Some celebrity owns the one that's down here.
No, I say it closed at 2.
For real?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
You wanna go there?
Yeah, I'm far from it. As a matter of fact, it's on the other side of the damn. I think we're gonna go this way.
Which way?
I think we're gonna go this way.
It's a 5-minute walk.
Yeah, so I think it's back this way though.
Which way?
This way.
Alright, come on. We have to GPS
right
it.
there by the park.
This is terrible.
So, yeah.
What, Centennial Park or
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't been to Centennial Park. What's the other park called?
Which one? Peachtree one?
Is it one called Olympian Park or some shit?
Yeah, that's the one that's like, I think it's Peachtree though.
Oh, okay. I haven't been to none of them.
The whole garden.
Yeah, the botanical gardens. Oh my god, I haven't been there. The only place I actually been that's like a Atlanta thing is Atlantic Station.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, that park's nice. It's a big ass park.
Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't go look through like the garden though. We didn't do that.
Well, no, I haven't either. Okay.
We didn't look through the garden. We just went to the park.
Yeah. All right, we can break our virginities together on that too. We over here breaking virginities, y'all. Okay. All right, my arm hurt. I'm sorry, y'all, but when we get to it, we going. I'm gonna come back. All right, y'all. I got the Rose Bowl. Honey got the Rose Bowl too. It's not really that good. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's really not.
You don't like it?
It's a little different. It's cool.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
I thought it was gonna be sweeter. Yeah, it's not sweet. I mean, it's sweet, but it's like a
Watered down.
That's exactly what it is.
That's what it tastes like.
Cause I feel like they've been ready. They've been sitting up there. We got salad.
Oh, you did switch to a salad.
Ain't gonna mind, y'all. They put tomato on it. I had a shrimp taco too, but they had tomatoes on it. You make me so awkward. I don't know how you
What
not
is
looking
that?
at the camera and look at me.
It's making a video. What's going on? A little sexy self. A little sexy self. Wanna cheers? Even though mine is already like halfway watered down. Look at that. Already halfway watered.
Okay, guys. So he wants to blame it on me. I'm not blaming it on anyone. But, you know, listen. We kind of lost the car. So we've been walking around for a good about 10 minutes now. We don't know where the freak we're at. But I think we've hit a milestone. I think we figured it out. It is the next day. Me and my boo went on a date last night. So we're about to, well, it's 4th of July now. And I'm about to go to a pool party. Well, it's not a pool party. Like my boo and his friends are throwing like a little cookout at a pool, whatever. So I'm going to just go. I have my bathing suit on and everything. Just a bathing suit top underneath for this. Her or whatever. I'm not wearing these though. Probably just wear some regular slides. So yeah, so I literally was like in the process of editing a video. It was gonna go up, it was gonna be up, but my computer ran out of space. So I'm trying to put y'all down so I can finish getting ready. But yeah, like I was saying, my computer ran out of space. So mannequin. Okay. My computer ran out of space, so I spent about an hour just trying to figure out you know, like how to get some more space on my computer. So yeah, I finally did figure out how to get space on my computer. I deleted some of my Final Cut backups and that cleared up so much space. So, but I'm in a rush because I was supposed to be at his house. So I didn't get to upload the video. I'm so upset because I really wanted to. Ace has been sick for like the past, I would say basically like a week now. But he's feeling so much better today. Like, my baby is okay. Hey YouTube, so I've been at the pool for a little second now, but guess what? Guess what? Y'all weren't there because somebody, I ain't gonna say no names, somebody left y'all in the car. He said, I looked at it and I was like, should I bring the camera? Nick, why the fuck wouldn't you bring the camera? Y'all know y'all come everywhere with me. He just be hating on y'all. Listen, I got y'all back though, okay? Period. So we about to go back to the pool. We got some food, we got drinks. Not really no much music, but it's okay. It's okay. When black people get drunk, we make our own music, okay?
No music.
Hey. Why are you parking over here? Is it parking spots over here?
By the pool?
Oh. No, they said we can't park right there in front of the pool.
Why?
Because they said they would get told. Or
I was just parked right there.
Yeah, she said
You talking about where I was parked at first?
Where Mel parked at?
Oh, so she can't park right there?
Yeah.
So did she move her car?
I don't know.
Damn sure did.
Just park right here. I don't have time for you to get told. We going to the pool.
I was like,
We going to the pool. We going to the pool. You taking the long way, but I beat you. But I beat you.
why did Steve walk?
So the pool closed. So we back in here. Back at it again. Back at it again. In the house with the food. Love baby in a bag and I'm working. I done ate everything already, y'all, but her look better than mine right now.
What is your Italian salad?
Shafufu. If y'all didn't see my picture, go like my picture. Happy 4th of July.
Well, all New York?
You gotta go to Augusta first.
It was having fireworks, y'all. I missed it.
That's how you do it, bro.
It's behind the trees.
Oh, look, there you go. Shit gets started.
Yeah.
He needs goddamn, you know,
That way in the front.
We're gonna make it to her.
You know what I'm saying? So now
This is her hookah. We're gonna make it to her. Where you from, Shorty? Where you from? Where you from?
in my city though, but I love this shit.
girl, niggas just want to fucking validate car. That's not wrong. That's wrong. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot for her brand. Slutty vegan. Yeah. Nobody would have came over that. Yeah, that was a very.
They said the line be out the door. Like you be in line, like okay, we out of food.
Girl, and the food truck was so popping that she opened up a restaurant over there by the AU Center.
Yeah.
So it's popping. Line be out the door. People be waiting 3-4 hours. Now they open
I love that.
And then sometimes
Yeah.
it's like,
She started a movement.
People just respect what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? They respect what you're doing, you know? Like when we went in there and then if you tell them like, oh yeah, I go to a HBCU.
Really?
All the cooks go, woo, woo, woo. Cause she from an HBCU.
That black shit.
Yeah,
See?
black shit.
That black shit. I love it.
You got
to eat. Always trying to get me to go somewhere
How you gonna lie to the people?
without my makeup done, number one.
How you gonna talk to people like that?
Number two,
First of all, you shouldn't talk to the people like that.
it takes me a long time to figure. I'm not lying.
Don't you are lying right now.
It takes me a.
Don't you dare talk to the people like that.
Look at my eyelash,
Y'all
y'all.
lucky I can't put my face on here right now. I promise y'all she's lying right now, okay?
He tried to rush me.
That's right.
He tried to leave me, actually.
Actually, I did it.
He said, you go home and get ready.
Why would I leave you behind? All that prettiness right there. I'm gonna leave that behind? I don't do that.
I wanted to come on here because I ordered, because y'all know I'm doing a, like, what's it called? The furnished apartment tour for y'all. And I'm doing vlogs on, you know, just stuff that I'm buying throughout the process of me furnishing my apartment. And I ordered this bathroom cabinet off of this store called Indie Store. Or Indie Store, whatever. I don't know. I'm going to put it right here. But I ordered a cabinet off of there because I went to Walmart. And I was going to buy it from Walmart. And I think it was like $29, $30 at Walmart. And my boyfriend was like, you know, why don't you just go and see online if they have it somewhere else. And I'm like, okay. So I go online and the first thing that popped up was Indie Store. So it was $14.95. You know, listen, we all are inexpensive over here. So I'm looking at it like, okay, That's $14. I'm saving literally 50% if I order it offline and just wait. My thing is, I'm a person that just likes to get stuff. So I was okay with paying the $30. I was like, okay, whatever. Like, I just want it now. So, yeah, I had ordered it or whatever. Literally that moment, I used Apple Pay. I ordered it. And, I just kept waiting because I got the confirmation in my email and everything, and I just kept waiting for like an update on my shipping. And literally like 2 weeks went by, this being the second week, and I still haven't received anything. So I tried to call the number on the website, and of course the number was not working. So I emailed them. So I go on Twitter, of course, Handy Dandy Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. And I just, like, you know, tweet regular, like I ordered something offline and it still hasn't come. I haven't gotten anything updated about it, and it's been 2 weeks. And one of my followers on Twitter, we went to high school together actually. She was like, girl, that store is a scam. Like, get your money back. I heard so many bad reviews about it. And I'm just like, bro, I knew it. My boyfriend had said it too. But I'm like, no, I'm going to give him a couple days before I call, like, my bank and get my money back. So I'm about to call my bank right now. My bank, I went Bank of America. So Bank of America always does me really well when it comes to just, like, getting my money back for stuff. So I'm about to call my bank right now. A lot of people been asking me. A girl had came to my job and she had seen me at my job, and she had asked me about my apartment and update. And a lot of people have been asking me just on here in general, and my view on my apartment has completely changed. It's not the apartment in general. I still love my apartment. I love the hardwoods. I love the marble. I love my big mirror in my bathroom. But from the troubles that I have been receiving from just management and like the leasing office and just the amenities that are supposed to come with the apartment, it is so not worth it. I would rather move like downtown and pay for hardwood and marble and a big bathroom than and to have all my amenities, the pool, the gate, the this, the that. I would rather have that than go through this and pay less. Like, no. So I want to make this into a story time because it's a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna make it into a story time. Just know, if you're watching this video and you're wondering, should you move to my apartments? No, don't move here, period. It's not worth it. So I'm gonna make it into a story time, so just stay tuned for that.